Okay, so this is going to give us t squared is equal to 2 pi all squared times square root of L over J, also all squared. So that our square and the square root sign cancels out. Okay? Afterwards, this now becomes t squared is equal to 4. This square will affect the 2 and will also affect the pi here. So we are going to have 4 pi squared. Are you okay? 4 pi squared. Then times L over G. Now our square root sign is gone. So we are left with L over G. Okay. So this is going to give us t squared is equal to 4 pi squared L over G. So that is what we are going to have. Let's continue. So now we are done with the exchange of subject. Okay. Any question that comes under this, I believe you will be able to solve it. Now we are moving straight to factorization. Okay, so let's see some examples and how we are going to solve such questions. Factorize completely. Okay, so you say we should group this into brackets. So AB minus BY in one bracket. Once again, the moment you do this, it means that you have factorized the negative out. If you are putting everything into brackets, put everything in brackets. But the moment you do this, you bring the negative outside the bracket. It means that you have factorized the negative out. So this will remain as what? Negative and not positive. Do you understand it? Times this will give us the back negative AY. Negative times negative will give us the positive Y squared. Are you okay? Either you first of all have to put everything in brackets, group them into 2 before you factorize out. Okay, so with this one, so that is how it's going to be. What do we do again? We factorize out and B. Excellent. So this will give us B, and what will be left over here? A minus Y. A minus Y. And always ensure that the numbers inside the bracket or the members inside the bracket, inside both brackets, are the same. The moment you get a different something here, it means you are getting something wrong. Go back and check your solution again. You have to get the members in both brackets to be the same. What is the common factor over here? Y. Perfect. So Y. So the moment you get everything here to be the same, you now take those outside and group them, and one of those inside the bracket. Okay. So this will give us B minus Y in bracket. That is those outside the bracket. B minus Y. Then you group those inside. You pick one of, since they are the same, just pick any of them. So A minus Y also in bracket. So that is the question. Factorize completely. Are you okay? You group them into 2, then you factorize out the common numbers out, or the common letters out. Shall we continue? Okay, for example 2 and others. This one I want you to solve is very quick. M x minus MA plus NX minus NA. Factorize completely. Factorize completely. Giving you 2 minutes. So you're going to group this. So MX minus MA. in one bracket, sorry, plus then nx minus na. So factorizing this, we are going to what was the common thing over there? Common factor there? M, good. So we're going to get M out. Then what will be left? X minus A. Then the other brackets, since you have the members inside the bracket to be the same, you now bring those outside the bracket together, right? And pick any of those outside the bracket and you group them. So you're going to get M plus N in one bracket. Then you get X minus A. That is excellent. Are we okay? Now we move straight to vectors and bearing. So vectors and bearing. All right, so with this one, so let's pick some examples under the vectors. Vectors first. If P, okay. So if P is equal to 2, 1, Q is equal to 1, 1, R is equal to 13, 7, and R is equal to K, P plus Q, where K is a real number. Where K is a real number, find the value of K. Find the value of K. So that is the question. Let's tackle it. Question on the board. That's if P is equal to 2, 1, Q 1, 1, R 13, 7, and R is equal to K, P plus Q. Find where K is a real number. Find the value of K. Looking at the question, okay, they are asking us to find R is equal to K, P plus Q. And they've given us all the parameters, all the factors. They've given us R, they've given us P, and they've given us what? Q. You understand it? So with this one, how do you do? You just have to do your substitution. So R was given as what? What was the value, the coordinates for R? In the question, what was the coordinate for R?
13, 7.
Good. So you are going to get 13, 7 is equal to K. What was the coordinate for P? 2, 1, plus the coordinate for Q as what? 1. Good. Now when you get it this way, you are halfway through. Okay, what do you do again? You have to expand. This is a factor multiplying a coordinate. So you're going to get 13, 7 equal to, expanding this one, expanding this bracket, you're going to get 2K and K. Then you put it in bracket plus 1, 1. Are you okay? Now, our focus is to get the value of K. That was the question. Okay, find the value of K. So we pick the top like this. We pick this side. Look on the board. We pick this side. Then we solve. Before we come to the down part again and pick and solve. So it means that we're going to get 13 is equal to 2K plus 1. So making K the subject, we are going to get 2K is equal to 13 minus 1. So 2K is equal to 12. 2K is equal to 12. Drop down again. Before you divide both sides by 2. Then you are going to get what? You are going to get K as what? As 6. As 6. Alright, so that is the first part. The first value of K. Then becomes the second value of K. You don't need to circle it like this, so don't circle. Okay? I want it to be clear for you. That's why I've circled it. So it becomes the second part. The second part is what? 7 is equal to K plus 1, right? Equal to K plus 1. K plus 1. So this will give us 7 is equal to we group like 10. So K will stand. K is equal to 7 minus 1. So therefore, K is giving us what? 6. All right. Now another question at the vectors. Given that A is equal to 4, 5. Given that A is equal to 4, 5. B is equal to 0, negative 2. And C is equal to negative 3, 7. Find A. A plus 2B plus C. B 2 brackets B plus C. And C 2B minus C. Do this for me. Given that A is equal to 4, 5, the coordinates of A 4, 5, and B 0, negative 2, and C as negative 3, 7. Find A. A plus 2B plus C. B 2 brackets B plus C. And C 2B minus. It was what? A plus 2B plus C, right?